What's the deal, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. Let me get in the car. Welcome back to another video, man. So we back. As y'all viewed in the last clips, I got the car transferred all the way from where it was at to my crib. It's finally in the back of my crib now. I'm about to start working on it. So I took the time to take out the spark plugs and check the spark plugs. One of the spark plugs was actually blown with the ignition coil. So we went to AutoZone right now just to go grab that. We about to replace the ignition coil. And that's really why my car was idling bad. Other than like the smoke, we all know the problem with that. But we're just gonna fix everything little by little. You feel me? I'm not gonna do the heads myself. I'm actually gonna take it to a shop just because I want some experience done when my engine blowing up on me like later on. About to install the ignition coils and see if the car run better. Oh shit! Where the old ignition coil at? Cause I took out the coil. Oh, it's right here. You see that motherfucker? It broke off in here. I pulled out the stuff that was. Yeah. So yeah, it broke off. So I'm about to try to install. Hold that real quick. Plug that. You see that motherfucker? Boy, ain't no gap. No gap at all. Alright, now I just put the ignition coil on there. Man, that's what I was saying. Last night I came out here, it was leaves all over the car. I might just slap this in here. I'm gonna put the screw on later. Go to the exhaust. It ain't shaking no more. No more shaking. Just a little bit, and I probably need another spark plug. Hang on, bro. I checked all of them, really, but I'll check some more. See if the spark plug. I'm gonna have to probably check.
You ain't checked the back one.
Like, oh, this bitch ain't even plugged in. That's why. These ain't even plugged in all the way. All right, try to start it one more time.
Wait, you heard how it sound? It's not smoking.
a mechanic around this bitch. Yeah. Hold on. So we in this bit right now. We about to see if this bitch roll. Even though like I know the gasket probably blown and shit, so we still gonna try to roll this bitch. It should be able to still drive.
Let me see something.
See this shit, bro? It been driving. It been driving. Oh! This been driving. This been driving.
Smile.
Alright, let's turn this bitch up.
No.
Y'all like the spaceship and shit? I might have to do a pull for y'all, you feel me? I had to, I got
Hi
to.
guys. Hi guys. It's just kids.
Alright, record it.
We have to go what? Why you yell like that?
Oh, that shit's
You trying to kill me?
You feel like?
Is she trying to
You feel
kill
like-
me?
What?
Like
It
it.
is. Yeah, cause it's like, I think I need to,
Yo, I think he's trying to kill me. I need a halo. I have to get out. If he's falling down.
So I forgot to start recording, but I'm just driving it around right now. Trying to get the shit to heat up so that the seal that I put in there go through the coolant tank. So once that heat up, it should be straight. I'm driving it right now, just cruising around for like 15 minutes, trying to get it to work because I watched a couple videos and they told me that I really got to drive it around and get the stuff to go through the, you feel me, go through the shit. So I'm gonna let that do that and see what happens. It's not a lot of gas in here, but it is what it is. What's up, y'all? So a little rundown of what's going on. We finna replace these spark plugs and shit. I took all the spark plugs out and the ignition coils out, and I put some paper towel in there to soak up all the oil to see if it help it run better. Hopefully it do. But yeah, we took out all of these. We got all new ones. She's finna come and drop them off right now. We finna put all them hulls in and see if this bitch run good. If so, I'm gonna do my first little drive tonight and see if it'll run for the rest of the day. Cause I did put some of that seal in there and it is working. Ain't no more smoke coming out the back. So I should be able to temporarily dry this motherfucker for about a good year. But I'm not gonna be driving it for a year. I'm gonna be driving it only for like 2 weeks. If it worked. That's if it worked. Got all the spark plugs in. All that shit in there. All the new spark plugs. Hopefully it worked how I wanted to. Let's see. what the fuck that was about.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Come on now. Damn. That little bro drive this bitch. Yeah. This bitch fast in the motherfucker, boy. Hold on. 12. Don't slow down like that. Keep going. He ain't fucking with us, go ahead. So I think I done fucked around and blew the engine on that bitch. It's popped now. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but this bitch just shut off while I was at the stoplight and won't cut back on at all. Maybe the alternator bad. Maybe I need to jump. I don't know. I'll see.